If you've ever wondered what is a major chord really, well, this is the video for you because we're going to talk about it, and we're going to talk about it in under a minute. So the first term we're going to need to know in order to talk about this is a semitone. A semitone is just the next note. So for example, from C to C sharp, or if you play a note on the guitar and you go to the very next fret, that would be an example of a semitone. The next term that we're going to need to know is a triad. A triad is basically a series of 3 notes coming together to create a chord that are each a third apart. So a major chord is a triad, and every single major chord is a perfect first, or the root note, a major third, and then a perfect fifth. So if we're going to create a D major chord, the easiest part is the root note, or the perfect first, and that's just the name of the chord. Since we're talking about a D major chord, the root note is a D. Next we have our major third. A major third is 4 semitones, so we need to count up 4 semitones to get to our major third. So from D, we have D sharp, E, F, F sharp. Since that's 4 semitones, we know that F sharp is our third in our triad. Next, we need to figure out the fifth of the chord. A perfect fifth is 7 semitones, so we need to count up 7 semitones to find out what our fifth is, and that will complete our chord. So we start with D, and then we go D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. So A would be our fifth. And that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to dive deeper into music theory, and specifically the music theory that songwriters need to know, be sure to check out my free guide at songwritertheory.com/music theory guide. It will teach you the 4 pillars of music theory that I think every songwriter really needs to know. I get the resistance to learn music theory. Some people think it's academic knowledge, but it really isn't. Only 4 pieces, though, are really required that will really help you in your songwriting. If you want to learn that, be sure to pick up that free guide. Link will be in the description at songwritertheory.com/music theory guide. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you next time.